What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a creamy and cheesy mac and cheese. And as usual, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please go click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. Right? The rest of us are waiting. Click the button. Subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the video. So to my boiling water, I'm going to add some pasta, and I'm just going to give that a quick stir and allow that to boil for about 7 minutes. So in the meantime, while the pasta cooks, I'm going to make my cheese sauce, and I'm adding here some butter, and I'm going to add also some flour and make what's called a roux. And then I'm just going to go in and mix this all together, whisk it together, and allow the flour some time to cook. So I'm adding a little of the milk to the roux, and I'm just going to whisk it all together until it gets smooth and thick. In my jar I have half regular milk and then I have half evaporated milk, and this is regular milk where 60% of the water has evaporated, and I'm just going to mix that all together and ensure there's no lump in my sauce. So with my heat on low, I'm adding 16 ounces of velveeta cheese that I cut into cubes. And I'm just going to whisk that in and allow the cheese to melt. The evaporated milk and the velveeta cheese are the two ingredients that makes the macaroni and cheese so creamy. You can see how velvety the sauce looks already. Now I'm just going to add some grated mozzarella cheese and just whisk it together, and then add some cheddar cheese. And remember, the recipe is always in the description box. So to my sauce, I'm adding some paprika and some salt. And always taste your sauce to ensure it has enough salt, because the sauce is going to be coating your macaroni. You don't want a bland macaroni and cheese. Who wants a bland macaroni and cheese? Nah. Anyways, the sauce is done and the pasta is ready. So I'm going to drain the pasta and bring the dish together. So I added the pasta to the greased baking dish, and I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese and stir that properly into the pasta. And then I'm going to add my pasta sauce, and I'm just going to mix that thoroughly throughout the pasta, ensuring that everything gets coated. And don't worry about how much sauce it is. The pasta is going to absorb all that cheesy goodness during the baking process. So now I'm just going to top off the pie with some mozzarella cheese and some cheddar cheese. So I'm just covering the pie with a sheet of aluminum foil, and I'm just going to bake that in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. For the first 20 minutes, I'm going to bake it covered, and then remove the foil and bake it for another 10 minutes uncovered. So here you have it guys, my creamy and cheesy macaroni and cheese pie. If you'd like to try this recipe, check out the description box below the video. And if you have reached this far in the video, put a cheese emoji in your comment so I know you're a real one. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye.